That is your CC. So for your CC, it costs a bit more energy and a bit more power because once you're on your CC, same as the beginning, you're always on your toes. We're never flat. So once you're up top, pick the strongest leg to extend out. So for me, it's going to be the left leg. Left leg extends out. Both of my hands are going to the left side, to the side. So I'm resting here. From here, I'm rotating a little bit on the foot and doing a whip. From the whip, come back, bring it back to base. Opposite side. Leg, arm, arm, whip. Come back. Arm, leg, arm, whip. Back, back, arm, leg, arm, whip. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. That's your CC.